Hey guys, welcome to our channel Regrob.com, and in today's video, we'll give you the actual view of Sri Sai Jingle Heights project, which is located in Horamavu, Bangalore. So here you can see the main road in front of the project, and this we are giving you the view of project from the main road. And now we are moving inside. This project is sprawled over 0.92 acres of land and offers 2 and 3 BHK units and total comprises of 78 numbers of apartments. It consists of 2 numbers of tower with 5 floors each. And now we'll give you the interior view of a sample flat. Now here comes the living room of this flat. Here comes the dining hall. And this we have entered into the first bedroom, the spacious bedroom. And here you can see an attached washroom with this bedroom. Now we have entered into another bedroom. And here is an attached washroom. Now here comes the kitchen with separate utility area. Here you can see the utility area. This is the balcony. So friends, this we have given you the interior view of a sample flat. Thank you for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit inquiries, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.